Today we are going to look into this experiment of implementing a Hello World activity using all life cycle method inside Android Studio. So before that, let me explain about what life cycle methods are. These are special functions which are hooked to the project and have special states according to which can change according to what the user wish. Okay, so now let me go into Android Studio. Let me close this up real quick. Okay, so inside I am going to create a new project, and here these are all the templates which can be used to create our Android project. And now I'm choosing empty views activity and clicking next, and instead of I am renaming my application as ex1, and I am choosing the usual default setting for this one, checking if the language is Java, and build configuration language in Gradle because that's recommended. And now I am clicking on finish. It will generate source and it will take time to generate things. And here we can see main activity Java, and activity main will be like reflected after some time. So here we can see the main activity.java is imported, and we can see that there is our layout activity main. This will actually run the front end, which which can be shown here. It has three types of views. One, to show it like a code. Wait, let me wait. So like if we got like this, we can actually try to run it as it is. Here we can see Gradle build running. We can click it to just see the emulator starting and stuff. It will be using this medium phone API and show a phone like model to show us how our current code of Android 4 will run. So it will take some time to launch app because we are doing it for the first time. So actually here there are no devices connected. So for that you can either you pair your phone using Wi-Fi, or like come here, click the main menu and go to tool, device manager. Then here, as no device is connected, you can create a new device, create virtual device, and you can like choose anything which you want to. I'm choosing Pixel A, and I'm choosing next, and I am just giving finish. It will download and then you can give finish here so that you will get the device. So now that we can see that it is done, we are giving finish, and we can see the Pixel 9a is here, and we are running this one in it. Okay, it's starting up, and in some time we can see the result. So as we can see, we are seeing the phone one. Let me make it a little more bigger so that we can see. It will take some time to load the app. So when it's loaded, we will be able to just see a hello world in here, because we haven't changed anything in it, just gave the code. I just selected the template and just we are running it. So in it, as we can see, the text is hello world in here, so obviously it will come like that. So all we can see is that here the hello world has been given. If I change it to like all caps, so like HELLO WORLD, so if I run it again, we can see that the result would be changed from this hello world to what I have typed. It will take some time to reload. So this white screen shows that it is reloading our app. Wait a second. Yes, now we can see that the hello world has been coming. So we saw that error, right? So the system ain't running for it. If you see any error like that, just click on the wait button and wait for some time, it will come. Okay, this is how we do the first experiment. But I just want to, instead of just ending it like this, I want to like add on some more points so that it will be useful. And here we can change the alignment of the hello world in which we are like seeing. As in the phone, we take this like as in the phone. Okay, so let me just change its position, like making it go a little bit to the top. We can just do it by dragging it in here, like so simple like that. So all of these points, they mark like we are going like this direction, and we can go that way and this way and all. Okay, now I have placed it here, and when I run it again, it will take some time to run. Also, the placement in which we are placing this hello world here in the screen will affect in the second one. Here it will say like the element which we are using and stuff, and this will change the position regarding to each and every screen we see. Okay, this is starting, and we will be able to see hello world like this. Okay, then we can actually like let me do this like fully design mode, and I can, so I'm choosing this kind of view to let you know that there are stuffs which are more than just aligning it by moving it like this, and there are component tree and palette, which in this palette we can see the text, buttons, and widgets, which can be actually used to like do stuff in your apps. They are containers, helpers, and stuff. So like we can add another text box if you want to, like just text view. We can drag and drop, I guess. Yes. So if we choose it, we can see that it's on the top left corner. Okay, so we can actually drag it anywhere we want to, and then we can edit in it. So we can edit this text view by going into this attribute. Okay, so we can just see that we have been wrapping content views and stuff. Here we can change this text into hello everyone, and it will be reflected there. Okay, so we can change stuff like text, wait, all attributes, here this alpha means to like define the transparency. So if we give 0.5, the text will become a bit transparent. I think you all can see that before and after. Okay, this is for one. And where is it? Here 0.5. Okay, so we can actually leave it as it is, and we can give background colors and stuff to it. Oh, background color for the whole area? No, not for the whole area. Nah, I don't want it. Okay, so I didn't mean to do anything actually. What about just for this one? Yes, here we can look at it. Just for this alpha, as I showed you already, and we can change the text and background, like as we can see the background is changing. Let me choose light blue. Okay. Now we can just do like normal stuff we do with text editing and things. We can actually increase the so on the top we can say that whatever we have given for now is actually showing here, and I am just looking to like text appearance. We can change the text appearance too, and okay, here we are seeing the text, and even we can change the text color. Sorry, I'm choosing like white, or if you put red, we can see the difference here, and I'll just choose it as white, something closer to white. And we can see each time we choose the colors in the color palette. Wait a second. In it, so we can see this colors changing, like this RGB and A. This A is alpha, so here if we change it from 100 to 50, or if we decrease the value and increase the value, we can show that like the transparency level, and these colors determine the location of so this 255 255 255, this means the whole thing is white, and we can see it actually. Wait a second. Yes, it actually went to the top. I don't know why. So guys, it was just a minor issue and I took care of it. And like this we can just, even we can add padding to it, like padding left top like 10 dp. Usually the padding is added like in dps, and text sizes are added in sps. Okay, 10 dp, like I'm keeping it constant for everything. Okay, so yes, I have padded the text to the center, or maybe I can just increase it up 20 and left 20, so that you can see the difference, the padding and stuff. And there are so many other attributes for these elements which you can check it out. They are super cool, and we can take a lot of time into teaching each and everything. So for now I have chosen these two, and Okay, this is how our app will be looking right now. It's nothing too big, but we have took like 15 minutes of time like doing this itself, so we are rerunning it. We will be able to see the running devices over here. I am making it bigger so for you to see. I think this will be the app. Yes, it opened by on its own once it started running. You don't have to choose and all. I see. Why is it still there? I changed it place over here. Oh my god. Wait a second. Okay, I just realized the mistake which was happening. So as we can see, there is a error like missing constraint in constraint layout which is in the code. Okay, so when we are looking at it, we can see wherever we move the hello world, the text area in horizontal position, we are seeing that there is a movement, but in vertical side there is none. Okay, that is because this part, the app layout underscore constraint vertical bias, is missing there. So let me just add this line at the end. So now that we have added vertical bias, the same as the previous, when we run again, we will see this hello world as in the straight line with it. Okay. Okay, actually, as I said, it should be coming that way, but it didn't, because there is actually some few more differences, and we need to add this line to it according to what I learned. Mm. I have just noted that there is no bottom off, so I added that too. Yes, so now we can see that this hello world is aligned with it. So the reason why it didn't come up till now is before it had like absolute y value as some 420 something, and when we have it like that, we cannot use the bias. Okay, so when we use the bias, we need to have a parent value of top off and bottom off to maintain how we are going to change it. Okay, so if we change the value of this 247 to 447 or something, we can see the change in its location. Okay, so now that we can see it here, the more the value of the vertical bias, the down the alignment will be. And for horizontal bias, let me increase it to like 6 something. The same, the more the value of horizontal bias, the more to the right the text will come. Okay. Mm. So I think that's all I wanted to say about what I learned about this hello world experiment. Happy learning.